Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how you can easily insert square root symbol in PPT slide. So if you want a square root that looks perfect with the horizontal bar actually stretching over your numbers, then use the ink tool. This is much better than a standard symbol. So for this you need to go to the insert tab and click on the equation. Click on the symbol and click on the equations, and on the bottom you will see that ink equation. Click on that and now draw the square root symbol and your number. So when you type the square root symbol and number with your mouse or style in the yellow box, the PowerPoint will preview the clean typist versions and then click insert like this one. You can go to the home and increase the size like this one. So this is much better because unlike a text symbol root, this creates a professional math object where the root roof grow automatically, and if you edit more numbers like this one, it is increasing automatically. There is another method. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the text box. And now press Alt plus equal sign to insert the equation editor box will be open up. And now type backslash and type SQRT and hit the spacebar. It instantly transforms into square root symbol. And now type anything in that. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. For this you need to click on insert and click on the text box and draw a text box. And now press the Alt plus equal sign. An equation editor box will be open up. Now type backslash and type SQRT and then press the space bar. It instantly transforms into square root symbols, and now type anything in that. So another method is that you need to press the Alt plus equal sign to again the equation editor box will be open up, and now type backslash and type SQRT, open the bracket and type the number 120 and close the bracket and hit the space bar and here it is.